वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देवा। सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा गणपति ओम जय गणपति ओम 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 गजमुख वरदा गणपति ओम गजमुख वरदा गणपति ओम गणपति ओम जय गणपति ओम मूषिकवाहन गजानना मूषिकवाहन गजानना मोदक हस्ता गजानना मोदक हस्ता गजानना परम निरंजन गजानना परम निरंजन गजानना पाद नमस्ते गजानना तव पाद नमस्ते गजानना गणपति ओम जय गणपति ओम गजमुख वरदा गणपति ओम मूषिकवाहन गजानना मोदक हस्ता गजानना परम निरंजन गजानना पाद नमस्ते गजानना तव पाद नमस्ते गजानना गुरुवरना पावनना गुरुवरना पावनना सतगुरुना गुरुनानक सतगुरु नाम गुरु नानक नाम गुरुवर नाम पावन नाम गुरुवर नाम पावन नाम सतगुरु साई बाबा नाम सतगुरु साई बाबा नाम जय गुरु सतगुरु नानक नाम जय बोलो साई बाबा नाम जय गुरु सतगुरु नानक नाम जय बोलो साई बाबा नाम जय बोलो साई बाबा नाम जय गुरु सतगुरु नानक नाम जय बोलो साई बाबा नाम जय गुरु सतगुरु नानक नाम जय बोलो साई बाबा नाम गुरुवर नाम पावन नाम सतगुरु नाम गुरु नानक नाम सतगुरु नाम गुरु नानक नाम सतगुरु नाम गुरु नानक नाम
You want to use this and play the harmonium?
कबीरा जब हम पैदा हुए जग हंसे हम रोए ऐसी करनी कर चलो हम हंसे जग रोए चदरिया जेनी रे जीनी जेनी रे जीनी ये राम नाम रस दीनी चदरिया जेनी रे जीनी राम नाम रस दीनी चदरिया जेनी रे जीनी अष्टकमलिका चरखा बनाया पांच तत्व की पूनी चदरिया पांच तत्व की पूनी 9-10 मास बुलंद को लागे 9-10 मास बुनन को लागेगी, लालो लाल कर दीनी चदरिया, जीनी रे जीनी राम नाम रस भीनी चदरिया, जीनी रे जीनी। जब मोरी चादर बन घर आई चदरिया, जब मोरी चादर बन घर आई, रंग रेज को दीनी चदरिया, रंग रेज को दीनी। ऐसा रंग रंगा रंग रेने, ऐसा रंग रंगा रंग रेने की, लालो लाल कर देने चदरिया, जीनी रे जीनी राम नाम रस भीनी चदरिया, जीनी रे जीनी। ध्रुव प्रहलाद सुदामा ने ओढ़ी चदरिया, चदरिया 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 ध्रुव प्रहलाद सुदामा ने ओढ़ी, शुकदेव ने निर्मल किन्हीं चदरिया, शुकदेव ने निर्मल किन्हीं। दास कबीर ने ऐसी ओढ़ी, कबीरा 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 दास कबीर ने ऐसी ओढ़ी, दास कबीर ने ऐसी ओढ़ी, जो की त्यों धर देनी चदरिया, जीनी रे जीनी तेरा नाम रस भीनी चदरिया, जीनी रे जीनी राम नाम रस भीनी चदरिया, जीनी रे जीनी जीनी रे जीनी जीनी रे जीनी।
Beautiful. One more बोले, और कभी रहे नहीं, कोई भी आपके दिल में जो है। प्यार का सागर है,
तू प्यार का सागर है। तेरी एक बूंद के प्यासे हम, तेरी एक बूंद के प्यासे हम। लौटा जो दिया तूने, लौटा जो दिया तूने। चले जाएंगे जहाँ से हम, चले जाएंगे जहाँ से हम। तू प्यार का सागर है, तू प्यार का सागर है। घायल मन का पागल पंछी उड़ने को बेकरार, उड़ने को बेकरार। पंख है कोमल, आँख है धुंधली, जाना है सागर पार, जाना है सागर पार। अब तू है इसे समझा, अब तो है इसे समझा। राह भूले थे कहाँ से हम, राह भूले थे कहाँ से हम। तू प्यार का सागर है, तू प्यार का सागर है। इधर झूमती गाए जिंदगी, उधर है मौत खड़ी, उधर है मौत खड़ी। कोई क्या जाने कहाँ है सीमा, उलझन आन पड़ी, उलझन आन पड़ी। कानों में जरा कह दे, कानों में जरा कह दे कि आए कौन दिशा से हम, कि आए कौन दिशा से हम। तू प्यार का सागर है, तू प्यार का सागर है। तेरी एक बूंद के प्यासे हम, तेरी एक बूंद के प्यासे हम। तू प्यार का सागर है, तू प्यार का सागर है, तू प्यार का सागर है।
Thank you. Beautiful, brother. Poonam Didi, you'll sing? You'll sing?
Sing Bhajan.
Come, have a seat with Ma, with both of you Ma's today. See, you sing. Till then, Ma will come once she starts.
सब स्केल से सब राग भी है।
विपाक आन पड़े मोरे प्रभु मोहे बचाने अब विपाक आन पड़े मोरे प्रभु विपाक आन पड़े मोरे प्रभु मोहे बचा ले अब की मैं हूँ नहीं बात आन पड़े रे प्रभु। हर 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 महादेव महेश्वर, हर 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 महादेव महेश्वर, महाजोगी जोगेश्वर, गुरु गले राम की जेवड़ी जित देखे तित जाऊं कबीरा जित देखे तित जाऊं कबीरा जित देखे तित जाऊं कबीरा ऐसी वाणी बोलिए मन का पाखोए और अन्न को शीतल करे आप भी शीतल होए कबीरा आप भी शीतल होए कबीरा हीर रूप हरि नाम है निर्वाण व्यवहार हंस रूप कोई साध है तत् का जान हार कबीरा तत् का जान हार कबीरा सच बराबर तप नहीं झूठ बराबर पाप जिनके हृदय साच है तिनके हृदय हरि कबीरा जिनके हृदय साच है तिनके हृदय हरि कबीरा हृदय हरि कबीरा तिनके हृदय हरि कबीरा साईं मेरा वाणिया सहज करे व्यापार बिन दांडी बिन पालड़ा काल सब संसार कबीरा काल सब संसार कबीरा सब जग सोता नींद भरी संत नावे नींद काल खड़ा सिर ऊपरे तोरण आया बींद कबीरा जब मैं था तब हरि नहीं अब हरि मैं नहीं सब अंधियारा मिट गया जब दीपक देखो माही कबीरा दीपक देखो माही कबीरा दीपक देखो माही कबीरा सुखिया सब संसार है खाए अरू सोए दुखिया दास कबीर है जागे अरू रोए कबीरा जागे अरू रोए कबीरा मात कहे कुंभार से तू क्यों मुझको रोंदे एक दिन ऐसा आएगा मैं तुझको रोंदूंगी कबीरा शब्द संभाले बोलिए शब्द के हाथ न पाँव रे एक शब्द औषधि करे एक शब्द करे घाव कबीरा एक शब्द औषधि करे एक शब्द करे घाव कबीरा कबीरा खड़ा बाजार में मांगे सबकी खैर ना कहूँ से दोस्ती ना कहूँ से बैर कबीरा कबीरा तेरी झोपड़ी क्यों गलनलियन के पास जो करेंगे सो करेंगे तू क्यों भयो दास कबीरा बुरा जो देखन मैं चला बुरा न मिलिया कोई जो दिल खोजा अपना मुझसा बुरा न कोई कबीरा मुझसा बुरा न कोई कबीरा मेरा मुझ में कुछ नहीं जो कुछ है सब तेरा तेरा तुझको सौंपता क्या लगे है मेरा कबीरा मन के हारे हार जीते जीत रे कहे कबीरा हरि पाइए मन की ही परतीत कबीरा प्रेमी ढूंढत मैं फिरूं प्रेमी मिले न कोई प्रेमी को प्रेमी मिले तब सब विश्व अमृत होए कबीरा निंदक नियरे राती आंगन पुटी छवाए बिन पानी साबुन दुना निर्मल करे सुभाए कबीरा नहाए धोए क्या हुआ जो मन मैल न जाए मीन सदा जल में रहे धोए बांस न जाए कबीरा माया मुई न मन मुआ मरी मरी गया शरीर आशा तृष्णा नाम यो कहे दास कबीर कबीरा यो कहे दास कबीर कबीरा यो कहे दास कबीर कबीरा गुरु गोविंद दो खड़े काके लागू पाए बलिहारी गुरु अपने गोविंद दियो बताए कबीरा श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा कर्पूरगारं करुणावतारं संसार सारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं
You all both sing, no? You all both sing together.
कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संसारसारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि लोकाभिरामं रणरङ्गधीरं राजीवनेत्रं रघुवंशनाथं कारुण्यरूपं करुणाकरन्तं श्रीरामचन्द्रं शरणं प्रपद्ये श्रीरामचन्द्रं शरणं प्रपद्ये श्रीरामचन्द्रं शरणं प्रपद्ये मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयूथमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शरणं प्रपद्ये श्रीरामदूतं शरणं प्रपद्ये कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय हरये परमात्मने प्रणतक्लेशनाशाय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः गोविन्दाय नमो नमः गोविन्दाय नमो नमः गोविन्दाय नमो नमः सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणि नमोस्तुते सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणि नमोस्तुते जयन्ती मङ्गलाकारि भद्रकाली कपालिनी दुर्गा क्षमा शिवा धात्री स्वाहा स्वधा नमोस्तुते स्वाहा स्वधा नमोस्तुते या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मातृरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु दयारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मुक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु या देवी सर्वभूतेषु भक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु बुद्धिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः नमो नमो दुर्गे नमो नमो अम्बे नमो नमो गौरी नमो नमो जगदम्बा नमो नमो लक्ष्मी नमो नमो काली नमो नमो छिन्नमस्ता नमो नमो दुर्गे नमो नमो अम्बे नमो नमो गौरी नमो नमो जगदम्बा नमो नमो लक्ष्मी नमो नमो काली नमो नमो छिन्नमस्ता दुर्गे अम्बे गौरी लक्ष्मी काली जगदम्बा दुर्गे अम्बे गौरी लक्ष्मी काली छिन्नमस्ता दुर्गे अम्बे गौरी लक्ष्मी काली जगदम्बा दुर्गे अम्बे गौरी लक्ष्मी काली छिन्नमस्ता ओम कालिकाय नमो नमः 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 दुर्गे अम्बे गौरी दुर्गे अम्बे गौरी दुर्गे अम्बे गौरी दुर्गे अम्बे गौरी हरिओम करो है नाथ मेरी नैया उस पार लगा देना अब तक तो निभाया है आगे भी निभा देना है नाथ मेरी नैया उस पार लगा देना तुम देव में पुजारी तुम इष्ट में उपासक तुम देव में पुजारी तुम देव में पुजारी तुम इष्ट में उपासक गर बात ये है सच तो गर बात ये है सच तो सच करके दिखा देना है नाथ मेरी नैया उस पार लगा देना अब तक तो निभाया है आगे भी निभा देना दल बल के साथ माया घेरी जो आके मुझको दल बल के साथ माया दल बल के साथ माया घेरी जो आके मुझको तुम देखते न रहना जय बाबा तुम देखते न रहना झट से आके बचा लेना है नाथ मेरी नैया उस पार लगा देना अब तक तो निभाया है आगे भी निभा देना थैंक यू जय बाबा ब्लेस मी हरिओम
You want to say anything? You want to share anything?
Everything is there. Jeva is here. We are here. Because of Jeva, we are yet here, all of us. Blessing, love. Yes, we have become strong because of that.
Thank you. Acha, she'll say. You want to ask anything? You can ask the question.
कन्हैया 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 पुकारा करेंगी लताओं में ब्रिज की निहारा करेंगी कन्हैया कन्हैया पुकारा करेंगी लताओं में ब्रिज की निहारा करेंगी कहीं तो मिलेंगी वो बाकी बिहारी कहीं तो मिलेंगी वो बाकी बिहारी उन्हीं की चरण चित लगाया करेंगी कन्हैया कन्हैया पुकारा करेंगी लताओं में ब्रिज की निहारा करेंगी जो रूठेंगे हमसे वो बाकी बिहारी चरण पर उन्हें हम मनाया करेंगे जो रूठेंगे हमसे वो बाकी बिहारी चरण पर उन्हें हम मनाया करेंगे
पुकारा करेंगे, लताओं में ब्रिज की निहारा करेंगे। तो कितनी अच्छी है, तो कितनी भोली है, प्यारी प्यारी है। ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ। जो दुनिया है, ये वन है कांटों का, तू फुलवारी है। ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ,
प्यारी माँ, दुख न लागी है माँ तेरी अखिया, दुख न लागी है माँ तेरी अखिया, मेरे लिए जागी है तू सारी सारी रतिया, मेरी निंदिया भी तेरे निंदिया भी तूने वारी है। ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ, प्यारी माँ। माँ बच्चों की जान होती है, माँ बच्चों की जान होती है। होते हैं किस्मत वाले जिनकी माँ होती है।
मेरे
हंसने पे मेरे रोने पे तू बलिहारी है।
ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ, प्यारी माँ। अच्छी है
तू कितनी भोली है, प्यारी प्यारी है। गुरु माँ, गुरु माँ, गुरु माँ, गुरु माँ। हरि ओम, थैंक यू। अच्छा, मैं ओम में से रम जाऊं, ऐसी निर्मल बुद्धि कर दो। मैं ओम में से रम जाऊं, ऐसी निर्मल बुद्धि कर दो। ये चंचल मन संकल्पों का एक झाल बिछाए रहता है। ये चंचल मन संकल्पों का एक झाल बिछाए रहता है सत्चित आनंद रूप प्रभु, मेरे चित्त को चेतन कर दो। मेरे चित्त को चेतन कर दो, मेरे चित्त को चेतन कर दो। मैं ओम में से रम जाऊं, ऐसी निर्मल बुद्धि कर दो। पर दोष न देखूं आँखों से, ना सुनो बुराई कानों से। पर दोष न देखूं आँखों से, ना सुनो बुराई कानों से, सारा जग आत्म रूप बने, ऐसी मेरी दृष्टि कर दो, ऐसी मेरी दृष्टि कर दो, ऐसी मेरी दृष्टि कर दो। मैं ओम में से रम जाऊं, ऐसी निर्मल बुद्धि कर दो। मन चिंता करता रात दिवस, विषयों में आनंद पाने की। मन चिंता करता रात दिवस, विषयों में आनंद पाने की। एक झांकी अपनी दिखा के गुरु, मेरे मन को सोहम कर दो, मेरे मन को सोहम कर दो, मेरे मन को सोहम कर दो। मैं ओम में से रम जाऊं, ऐसी निर्मल बुद्धि कर दो। मुख से गुणगान करूं तेरा, सदा मीठे वचन उचारा करूं। मुख से गुणगान करूं तेरा, सदा मीठे वचन उचारा करूं। अमृत की धार पिला करके, इस वाणी में अमृत भर दो, इस वाणी में अमृत भर दो, इस वाणी में अमृत भर दो। मैं ओम में से रम जाऊं, ऐसी निर्मल बुद्धि कर दो। ये अंग प्रत्यंग जो है मेरे, लग जाए सेवा में तेरे। ये अंग प्रत्यंग जो है मेरे, लग जाए सेवा में तेरे। जीवन अर्पण हो चरणों में, हे नाथ कृपा ऐसी कर दो, हे नाथ कृपा ऐसी कर दो, हे नाथ कृपा ऐसी कर दो। मैं ओम में से रम जाऊं, ऐसी निर्मल बुद्धि कर दो। मुझे आत्म रूप दिखाए गुरु, मेरे मोह का भरम मिटाए गुरु। मुझे आत्म रूप दिखाए गुरु, मेरे मोह का भरम मिटाए गुरु। इस रूप में मैं ही रम जाऊं, ऐसी मुझ में शांति भर दो, ऐसी मुझ में शांति भर दो, ऐसी मुझ में शांति भर दो। मैं ओम में से रम जाऊं, ऐसी निर्मल बुद्धि कर दो। Hari Om. Actually today the topic we wanted to have was what understanding satsang and what is the value of satsang, and that we were going to have that as the topic. What is we understand what is satsang, what is the value of satsang, and how to. I just asked brother also now that we all are busy in our lives. Everybody you ask today, someone has some problem or the other. We all are facing continuous obstacles. Today, one problem is solved. Why is it going on and on continuously? Like in the bhajan it is mentioned, Chinta karta raat divas. Every moment there is something or the other. Our minds are, God knows. So I would love to hear from brother. If brother can please answer that. Anything that is coming up.
गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. I think Hindi or English?
Hindi also is fine. English also is okay.
जो प्रश्न इन्होंने किया है वो तो मैं उसका उत्तर नहीं दे सकता हूँ, पर इतने भजनों को सुनते सुनते ऐसा लगा कि ये भजन ही चलते रहे हैं, उसमें सभी कुछ आ गया. जैसे ही गुरु माँ आ गई तो इन्होंने कबीर का इतना सुंदर भजन गाया, उसमें सब कुछ आ गया, कुछ रहा नहीं. फिर आखिर में अमित ने भी जो गाया उसमें भी सब कुछ आ ही गया. तो सार इतना ही आया कि कैसे भी हम खुद ही को भूल जाएं. We can forget ourselves. That is the most satisfying thing. Maybe with Guru Ma being here, maybe all the problems you are having, all you forget all that. You don't remember as you are listening to the bhajans. And the central thing is, somehow or the other we should forget ourselves. Means though we say that we remember God, but we are remembering ourselves more. Means if we are truly remembering God, then all what he is saying would not be there. The problems that we are facing, if we are continuously remembering God or Guru, we would not be having the problems. But it's mostly that we are sort of, even with the problems, we feel, I am having the problem. What do you know? Actually, the problem is not the problem. I is the problem.
Wow.
That's
Yeah.
Hari Om.
Brother, now I'll just carry forward. Now, I is the problem. So when they say work on yourselves, can we, with Abhyas Pusharat, can we have our life lighter? I mean, where is the I supposed to be used? Where is it not supposed to be used? I mean, does I have a place? Does this Ahankara have a place?
Actually, mostly means when we refer to I, actually I is not bad. Ego is not bad. Ego is good, provided we know where to place it. Means, suppose we have mind and body, so definitely with the mind and body we will be working. There will be work being done by the mind as well as the body. But at the same time, if we remember the true I of God or Guru, if we have in front of us, and that I, then the Guru says I, he is not referring to the body or the mind. It's very different. Mostly when we say I, we are referring to our emotions, our intellect, our body, our mind. We are not referring to that. So for us, Guru and God are the, I would say, the pole stars by which we could navigate, and then it will be easier. Now, as you are saying that where we place the ego, I. So here, as they say, we cannot do that. Then we make ourselves as servants of God, or some relationship with God or Guru. some relationship, maybe like we are being children of God or children of Guru. That is one relationship. We can do master and servant, das and this. We can have friend and friend. There are 6 like that. I'm not going into the details of that. But one relationship we should build up with Guru, God. And then start remembering that. Means that would help a lot. And this has to be continuously there. For that, the practice abhyas जिसको बोलते हैं. And एक किस्म से if the faith is there that all what we are doing is of not much importance really. It means we can go through our lives like that. The most important is to get to that I with help of God and Guru. That way I feel one can sort of, the ego will come up. Ego will means sometimes or the other, and it changes its, how do you say, a chameleon when it changes its color. So the ego also changes color, as if he wants to be a very good devotee, he wants to be very close to God, Guru. Again, that's also an ego. So let us sahaj, and as much as we can remember the Guru and the God, whichever your ishta may be, it will help. That will be the only thing that can help. Otherwise, we will be carried away by the world. And as they, in the Indian scriptures, they call it, there are Maya. Everybody says Maya. So they say Mahamaya, and Vidya Maya is also there. So that we don't fall in the trap of Mahamaya, we have to go to Vidya Maya, and that is through the Guru. He explains to us, he points out to us. Her presence only, the way you went was wonderful, means in the sense that I wish it was not ending that way. Anyway, thank you.
I think if anybody has any question, then I would love to give the mic to Auntie who, and what is healing by self-love, by love? One question is coming, just one more, is on hukum. Like generally we get disappointed, so of course there is a hukum of the capital I. Where is my role then? I mean, do I have to, how much importance should I give it? So basically again I'm coming at how can I arrive at peace? Sorry.
Difficult question. Each one means will have a different way. Means first relative peace is required. So if you are facing so many hurdles, and so means you have to tell yourself that all these problems and all, they are not come to disturb me or to trouble me. They have come to clean me. Means if you take that position that we are being cleaned. If we did not have the troubles, we would not take the trouble. Means that's why first this we have to understand that whatever troubles we are facing, they are not come to means sort of in the way that why I am being, all this is being done. And we have to tell ourselves it's to clean ourselves, and when you clean, dirt will come out. So we have to be prepared for that and let the dirt come out. And once we reach that, as he was asking, how do we know it is his hukum? So that is a deep thing. That means all of us, I think in Hindi हम कहते हैं विवेक, means English में conscience. All of us have a conscience. Not only my Gurudev said that the inner voice is always ringing. It has never stopped. Just calling you always. Only we are not listening. Means. So we'll have to start with listening. And as much as we can listen, there will be coming a time when you will listen and you will know that he is telling you do this, don't do that. At one level, you all also know what is truth, what is false. Trying to, means as in the Kabir Bhajan, सत्य के साथ अगर हमने रखा अपने आप को with the truth. And we don't hurt anybody. He was in the Kabir Bhajan also he said, these two things my Gurudev said, that if you be on truth and be harmless, don't hurt anybody by thought, word or deed. Whatever the provocation may be, means there may be a lot of provocation that somebody does nasty to you, but still inside you keep it that he is being nasty to me not because he wants to be nasty to me. Somehow I have attracted that. You have to point it to yourself every time. It is difficult, but that's the only way that you can overcome it, means in the sense it will go on. And this you can tell your mind. I think, I don't know, some king had gone to a dervish or something and asked, and he gave him a ring, and he told him, just remember, this too shall pass. So whatever nasty things or whatever problems are, it will pass. It will not remain. What comes goes. That's it.
But the path of truth is very difficult.
Yeah, like
to
you said,
pass.
truth and not to harm others. We caught that, but
Yeah.
being in truth means
The easy means simple, like childlike. The truth is right in front of you. Means by truth there are levels, of course. There are levels, but a simple start with simple things. Means I know in today's world, those who are working, I am not working, I am all alone, so I have no problem of this. But I understand that when you are working, when there are so many relationships going on, and there will be, definitely. But you have to be, means, if you want peace, that's it. You keep peace as the topmost thing for you, then be on truth. Not necessarily that you have to speak the truth. You can remain silent, means wherever you feel that this is wrong, and you are not the, means, in the position to say it out, and keep silent, move away. These are the things. But my Gurudev said that I know in this world it's difficult to keep 100% truth. So he said, at least keep it 75%. 25% you have the leeway. But even remember that, he again reminded us that 25% which you do, वो कर्म आपको भोगना पड़ेगा. Means you can't just get away with it. So that's it.
Thank you, brother. Thank you. I'll give the mic to Auntie now. And Auntie, what is healing with self-love? A lot of us fall sick, then our minds also feel, we go down in depression or in a lot of emotion. And this is Dr. Ria. She's working in Lex. I mean, this will be an inspirational story even for you actually, because Auntie will share what had happened to her and how she healed by going against the doctor's advice.
Namaste. Jai Baba. Thank you for all your singing, especially the little girl that sang
Wow.
the song Ma. It's so true. We are all going on this journey of life, and without our Guru, we are nowhere. So to have that in our hearts, so we can hold their hands as we go through. This brings about tears. Um, 2 years ago, I went through a diagnosis of third stage colorectal cancer. Caught me by surprise. My world stopped. I did not know where it came from. But now I know it was a blessing. It was a gift. And it was a course correction for my life. Through this 2 years, I went to deep, dark places within myself. I had to heal a lot that I had held inside. Things happen to you in life, and we think we're okay, but we're not. We hold a lot of emotions. We might have a death in the family. We might have an accident. We might have anything that has happened. Satsang really helps. Listening to the Guru really helps. But I think it's very important to work with somebody that can really help you to release all the emotions so we can be a clear vessel for the divinity that we carry within us. I found a guru who was a hypnotherapist who really helped me connect to my inner innate healing, which we all have within us. I knew when I was diagnosed that I did not want to do chemo, radiation, and surgery. I've been through a lot with my son, Vicky, who has had accident and was paralyzed about 20 years ago. I know too much. I have done a lot of healing and I've been through a lot of courses, learned a lot about the mind and body connection and our divinity. I will always praise the mind and body connection. When you use your mind to feel healed, when you use your mind to know and imagine and envision that this body is healed, the body follows. And this is the space that we have within us, which nobody goes and touches there, because everybody's just living life and they don't know that space that we have. We all have it. And once I started speaking, I got a voice. And that voice said, "You're going to be okay. Just go into your heart. Trust your heart and do what your heart says." And that's what I did. I refused all medical treatment. I went into my heart. I did a lot of healing, released a lot of trauma, and the innate intelligence within us can heal when it has the right circumstances. I was guided to different doctors that I believed that can also help support my healing with all the blessings, with all the trauma releases, and then outside of myself. So I had got one doctor. He worked with me. After 3 months, my cancer had reduced from 5 centimeters to 3.5. That was an amazing thing for me, because that proved to me that this is the route I have to go. I told all my family, give me 3 months. I'm going to do this myself. I'm going to see what I can do for 3 months, because they were so afraid for me. So when this happened, then everything went up, 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 up. I got faith. I jumped for joy. I released the fear, and I started having more and more and more and more faith. The doctors told me that they've never seen 1 year everything stable without treatment. They said this is a silver lining. But I came to a point where the doctors that I was working with said this is all that they can do. I felt like God was sending me breadcrumbs. What's my next step? So my next step I saw in an Instagram post. Somebody was talking about cancer, and they healed with the doctor in Kerala. I said, I'm Indian. I can go to India. So I did. Last year I came to India and I asked him to check my reports and if he can help me, and he said, yes, come down. So I came last year for 1 month, and he told me one thing, and I'll never forget that. He said, you will heal once you find your vigor within you. He says, do not look at your diagnosis. Know who you are. You are not your mind. You are not your body. You are consciousness. Raise your consciousness. The body will heal. I thought I'm going to go. It was November, and I had to do my scans in December. I thought I'm healed. But I wasn't. I had to again hold my faith and say, okay, this is the journey. I have to keep going, and it's a test. And he also told me, he says, the healing has already been done, but now the body has to show the manifestation of the healing. Have faith. It took 4 months. When I got the scan, I never listened, I never opened the computer, and I don't look at the reports. I sent it to my sister and my daughter, who have medical backgrounds. On this scan, they called me and they started shouting and said, there's nothing there, there's nothing there. After 18 months, I was cleared. My doctors cannot believe in America that this has happened. They said they've only seen this in books. They've never seen anybody in flesh in front of their office without doing any treatment, that it is completely clear. CT scans, all clear. MRI, complete response. I had another test again in December before coming. Again, same thing, complete clear. Blessings of my Guru, Jai Baba, my Dada, and the divinity within us. We are so powerful. We have so much love. We have to tap into that. Any negative thought that comes for ourselves, or if we think of anything negative, I will never do that again. One thing I will tell you, I created this cancer. I'm very aware of that. With our negative thoughts, with our egos, with our jealousies, we are humans, these happen. And I became aware of what happened. When you're aware, then you can uncreate it. If the body has created something with our thoughts, once we give it the good circumstances and we change and give it positive and completely flood your body with love, it can heal. You just have to believe it with no doubt. There's one lady who cured herself with liver cancer, and she told me, Malka, there's 2 things that you must do. Have no doubt that you can heal yourself, and always be around joy. Laugh, sing, dance. That's healing. Because every time we have a thought, it's ourselves that are listening. And we are the mothership. We are commanding ourselves to act the way we are thinking. So remember that. Anytime you have a thought, negative thought about yourself, you don't feel you're worthy, you don't feel you're good enough. Anybody outside of you tells you that you're not good enough, don't listen to them. We are the divine. We have to grow the divinity within us, not shatter the divinity within us. Love yourself completely. Shower yourself with love. The world needs you. The world needs more love. Only when we can radiate our love can we heal the world. Ignite your love within. Imagine what is possible. That is my tagline. That's where I went, and I will never stop igniting my love and igniting everybody else's love that comes in front of me. Namaste.
Thank you very much. Sapna Didi, you sing the final bhajan, closing bhajan. Last bhajan. वो बंद करो संदीप.
हो पालनहारी निर्गुण और न्यारी तुमरी बीन हमेरा कौन नहीं निर्गुण और न्यारी, तुम्हारी बिन हमरा कोनो नहीं। चंदा को तुम ही तो दी हो चांदनी, सूरज में उजाला तुम ही से, ये गगन है मगन, तुम ही तो दिए हो इस तारे। हे भगवन ये जीवन तुम ही न सवारोगी तो क्या कोई सवारी। ओ पालनहारी निर्गुण और न्यारी, तुम्हारे बिन हमरा कोनो नहीं। हमरी उलझन सुलझाओ भगवन, तुम्हारे बिन हमरा कोनो नहीं। तुम्हारे बिन हमरा कोनो नहीं। ओ पालनहारी निर्गुण और न्यारी, तुम्हारी बिन हमरा कोनो नहीं। तुम्हारी बिन हमरा कोनो नहीं। हरि
Thank you very much. Beautiful. You want to say anything, Didi?
बोल सतगुरुदेव भगवान की जय। थैंक यू माँ फॉर एवरीथिंग। थैंक यू माँ, थैंक यू। दादा लक्ष्मी भगवान की जय। सभी संतन महात्माओं की जय। जय बाबा की जय। प्रेम की जय। अच्छा, जोक।
Pass her the mic. Good, you can make it light.
कपल आपने बोला तो लास्ट में एक जोक बताओ। तो एक कपल की वेडिंग एनिवर्सरी थी, तो आजकल आपको मालूम है ना सोना कितना महंगा है। तो पूछा क्या चाहिए, सुनो ना। तो वो सोने की दुकान पे गए और एक गले का हार उन्होंने सिलेक्ट किया। पूछा कितने, अमित भाई आप सुन रहे?
नहीं, वापस बताइए। Sorry.
ये बड़ा जोक हो गया।
नहीं, वापस बताइए।
एक कपल की वेडिंग एनिवर्सरी थी, तो हस्बैंड ने वाइफ से पूछा क्या चाहिए। चाहिए सोने का हार चाहिए, चाहे हीरे का। तो वो गए सोने की दुकान पे गए, उसने एक सिलेक्ट किया। पूछा कितने का है, चाहिए 5 लाख का। चाहिए बहुत बढ़िया, चलो काउंटर पे बाय करते हैं। काउंटर पर पहुंचे तो बीबी को बोलता है बाय करो। उन्होंने बोला चलो काउंटर पे हम बाय करते, BOY बाय। और जब काउंटर पे पहुंचे तो चलो बाय करो।
सब कुछ है इडली शेप में। जय बाबा।